We have Sam here. He just underwent both bone marrow and PRP injections into both knees. So Sam, tell me, before we talk about the procedure, tell me what kind of led you to us and what ultimately made you decide to go through with this.
Well, I had knee pain. I had injured my right knee back in February, and the pain never went away. I went to another orthopedist and was x-rayed. I was told I was bone on bone, and they eventually MRI'd. I did still have some cartilage left, but a torn one in the right knee, and they gave me some gel injections, but they would only offer, other than that, cortisone shots or knee replacement, and I was not ready to do knee replacement, and so I searched around for somebody who could do stem cell or the PRP, which I'd heard about, and found Dr. Petropoli. Somebody recommended him.
Awesome. Well, we're happy to have you.
Oh, I'm glad to be here.
And having just undergone the VBAC and PRP procedure in both knees, just give us a brief synopsis of your experience today.
The experience was really good. Hard to say that it was very tolerable, I'll say that, and very interesting, very thorough, getting to see the whole procedure taking place. I'm happy to have it done now, and looking forward to the results.
Absolutely. Well, we're happy that you're going through it, and we're excited to follow your journey. Now, before we wrap up here, I'm just going to go over the goals that we came up with prior to the procedure that you would like to get back to doing. Hiking.
Yep.
Walking for exercising.
Yep.
Walking for exercise, excuse me. Workout at the gym.
Yep.
Continue to play music and stand for your gigs, usually 3 to 4 gigs a week.
Yeah, be pretty active on stage. That's what I
Awesome.
want to do.
Awesome. Weight loss / diet,
Yep.
which you're going to be undergoing our V-Slim and nutrition program.
Right.
And lastly, dance.
Yep.
Perfect.
Yep. Taking up some dancing.
All right. Well, best of luck, and we'll be following you through your journey.